Third part is 6x minus 3y plus 10, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 10. a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 9. So here a1 by a2 is 6 by 2, that is 3. b1 by b2 is minus 3 minus 1, that is 3. c1 by c2 is 10 by 9. From here you can see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 is not equal to this. So hence the pair of linear equation has no solution. That is, the lines are parallel. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.